Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that Java developers might encounter when working with generic classes. The issue revolves around correctly identifying the type of an object stored within a generic class instance. Let's talk about the problem at hand. Imagine you have a generic class called storage in Java, designed to hold an object of type t. The goal is to handle null values differently based on whether t is an integer or a string. The initial approach involved using isAssignableFrom to check the class type, and then return default values accordingly. However, things didn't work out as expected, leading to unexpected null returns for both integer and string types when the stored value was null. Now, let's delve into the solution provided to address this problem. The key insight here is that when the storage class is initialized with a null value, retrieving the specific type t becomes impossible. The getGenericClass method plays a crucial role in determining the class type, but it defaults to object.class if the stored item is null. As a result, it's not feasible to directly compare t with integer.class or string.class in this scenario. In summary, identifying the class type of a generic object in Java can be tricky, especially when dealing with null values. The getGenericClass method's behavior of returning object.class for null items complicates direct comparisons with specific classes like integer and string. Ultimately, in such cases, alternative strategies may be needed to manage null values based on the object type. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Remember to hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments below. Until next time, happy coding!